This is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust your screen's brightness on an iPhone. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now. To adjust your screen's brightness, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to tap on Settings. Then you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see it says Display and Brightness, and tap on Display and Brightness. Then you'll scroll down just a little ways, and right in here, Brightness. This slider right here adjusts your brightness. The more you move it to the right, the brighter your screen will be. The more you move it to the left, the darker the screen will be. Down below that, it has a true tone. You can enable that or disable that. What that's supposed to do, it says it automatically adapts iPhone display based on ambient lighting conditions to make colors appear consistent in different environments. That's what the true tone is. But your slider for the brightness is right up here. Thanks for watching.